Welcome to our fine sponsors Micro Center, where we have a challenge. I'm going to be embarking on the high IQ gaming PC build.
See, Austin likes to think he's some sort of master PC builder, but I'm gonna make it a little bit harder for him. So I'm gonna give you this fat stack of cash.
Wow.
I'm gonna ask you a series of questions, okay? And every one of these questions that you get wrong, I'm taking $100 away from you for this budget.
Dude.
No, actually, I'm just realizing this is not the right stack of, that's my Lego budget. This is your stack.
Oh, this is a much smaller stack. Wait, so 1, 2, 3.
You want me to just tell you the number?
4, no, I don't trust you. 5, 6, 7. I have a total of $2,000 to build my PC. That's easy.
That's easy, unless you get a bunch of my trivia questions wrong.
Okay, I'm feeling confident.
The first question is,
yes,
according to Microsoft, what is the official name for the blue screen of death?
What the hell?
It's not the
blue screen of death?
It's not the blue screen of death.
Oh, this is bad. This is bad.
Yeah, do you want to just give me the money now?
No, I'm gonna take a guess.
Okay.
Windows?
Nope.
Fine. What is it? What the?
It is stop error.
Stop error? That's the name of the screen? Oh,
that's
this
the name.
Is bad. If that's where we're starting, this is bad.
Which OS has the mascot named Tux?
Linux.
Okay.
So this one's mine.
That one, you get to keep that one.
All right.
What large tech company was nicknamed Big Blue?
IBM.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I'm feeling more confident here. I know a couple things. I love trivia.
Speaking of IBM.
Yeah. Oh, no.
What year did Lenovo acquire IBM's personal computer arm?
The ThinkPad.
AKA the ThinkPad, yeah.
So I'm talking my answer out loud, so this is not,
I'm gonna give you 1 year
plus or minus?
leeway. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna guess 2006. Final guess. Yeah, lock it in.
Sure you want to go 2006?
I am sure. I'm gonna lock that in.
Okay, I will accept that one. It was 2005 according to the judges.
Yeah.
Which is just Alex. What is the most recent graphics card that supports SLI graphics?
Oh, that's nefarious. Oh no. So I want to say it was like a reference card, or it was like it was the high end. It was like the 3080, 3090, 2080 Ti. Actually, no, 2080 Ti did support SLI, I think. 2080 Ti.
It is actually the 3090 Ti.
The 3090 Ti? Are you serious? Okay. All right. That's fair. That was a good question. Okay.
So, you're a nerd.
Agreed. Yeah.
Look at you.
I am wearing
I want to shove you in a locker right now.
Pokemon Hawaiian shirt, yeah.
What do you call the process of using lasers to etch a silicon wafer?
Lithography?
Judges?
No, you need the full technical.
I'll give you one other opportunity.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
Optolithography.
That is incorrect.
What is it?
Photolithography.
Come on, I was pretty close. I should have got that one. I feel that was pretty
Alex, I'm liking how nefarious this is. This is good. Other than the obvious founder of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, I'll make it easy. Name one other founder of NVIDIA.
I mean, Jensen was there. He was in the Denny's, but I have absolutely no idea.
You want to take a
Bob Microsoft?
Yep.
I got it. Yes.
No, it was Curtis Preem and Chris Melichowski.
I never ever would have gotten that in a million years.
Never
No
would have
shot.
gotten
No
that
shot.
myself. So we are at our lovely sponsor of Micro Centers.
Lovely Micro Center here in Tustin, California. Sunny and beautiful, full of amazing deals.
It's true. When did those deals start? AKA, when was Micro Center founded?
It was in the. Do I get any kind of buffer on what year?
You get 1 year plus or minus.
I think it was 1976.
Unfortunately, that is incorrect.
Really?
It is 79.
Are you serious?
Yep. All right, now let's get into some of the hard ones.
Those are the easy ones?
What is my favorite version of Windows?
This is an unfair question. I'm gonna say your favorite Windows, 98.
It is Windows 11 because that's the closest to Mac that it's gotten.
This is rigged, I tell you. Whose favorite Windows is Windows 11?
Me.
I would say 0% of people.
Name every founder of Apple.
Okay. There is Steve Jobs,
Yep,
Steve Wozniak,
sure is.
and the third guy, which I have his name. It was two like first names that were very generic. Ronald something. I'm getting closer.
Okay.
Ronald James.
Incorrect.
What's his name?
Is Ronald Wayne.
Wayne!
Hopefully this one's a freebie for you
I hope
because
so.
you are not doing great.
There's a lot of money on the floor.
There is a lot of money on the floor in pieces. You love the Z Flip.
Big fan.
Okay, but what was the first commercially available flip phone?
Royal Flux Pie.
All right, finally you get one right. To prove you're not a robot.
I'm not solving a CAPTCHA for you if that's what you're asking.
Well, what does CAPTCHA stand for?
It's some.
I'll be lenient as long as you're in the ballpark.
I don't think I'm gonna get this one. Something.
If you get one of the words right, I will just automatically give it to you.
Content authentication, pragmatically testing, childish.
Do we have like a clearance section of parts that
No.
he's gonna need?
And
He's get like.
the 4090's right there. I can still do it. I got no.
I don't
I'm
think
already,
you could afford the tax on a 49.
Yeah, you're right.
anymore.
That's already gone.
So.
What is CAPTCHA?
It is the completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart.
That is the worst name I've ever heard. I hate it.
I wanted you to list all the Mac OSs
Oh my
that
god.
were released while Steve Jobs was alive.
That's so hard. Okay, I can give it a try.
I will ask for 5 of them.
So we'll go backwards. So 10.7 Lion, 10.6 Snow Leopard, 10.5 Leopard, 10.4. Oh god, what was 10.4? Puma was like 10.2 or something. What was 10.4?
I'll give you 2 Puma. So you need one more.
Okay, hang on. So
There's only so many big cats.
I know I can't think of them. Panther was 10.2.
There you go. 5. Can you please educate us?
Would love to.
What is the difference between RAM and ROM?
Read-only memory is memory that can only be read. So that it would be something that is not writable. It is just there. Yeah, I mean, you can use it for a lot of different things. RAM is random access memory, which is designed to be constantly written and read to directly from your CPU to, store all your programs and whatnot.
I'll accept it. I'll accept it.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot. I think it's a broad term. You're making me stress on this one. Okay.
Speaking of acronyms,
Yeah.
what does DDoS stand for?
Denial of service. Distributed denial of service attack.
Okay.
Yeah, I
All
forgot what the
right.
other D
I didn't
was.
even have to give him a hint on that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say this next one is the second easiest one we have. Just
No,
give you,
why would you wind it up like that? I'm gonna
just
get
give-
wrong now.
Just give you a breather.
Okay, go ahead.
What is the most popular non-Chromium based web browser?
Oh, it's gotta be Edge. It's gotta be Edge. Because so other Chromium-based browsers would be Opera.
I said non-Chromium.
Yeah. Edge has been based on Chromium for a long time, but I think Edge is actually just straight up the second most popular browser, period, not even counting Chromium, so I'm gonna say Edge. What? What am I forgetting?
Non. I said non. I even reminded you non.
Firefox,
Nope.
Firefox, Safari.
I reminded him. What is this is his birthday?
Why would I know that? Do you need an actual date?
I would like one.
I don't know if I remember the actual date. Okay, it was around Halloween. I'm gonna say October 25th.
I'll give you the window. It was October 22nd, 2018.
I was pretty close.
I'll give you the window.
I was pretty close.
I'll give you the window.
I remember. That was a long time ago.
You fancy yourself a gamer.
I fancy myself a gamer, yep.
What is,
No.
I like how you get nervous
Uh-oh.
as soon as I say gaming, the best-selling video game of all time?
Are we counting all games? Mobile games? Because I know that if you count all games, including mobile games, I think Minecraft is one of the top. But if you don't, I think Tetris is one of the top. So can I get a clarification? Do mobile games count for this list?
Mobile games count.
Then I will say Minecraft.
Incorrect.
Really?
It is, in fact, Tetris. With
Tetris has a mobile.
520 million copies. I'll give you that one. Because you did say Tetris, but.
Thanks.
What is the largest mechanical hard drive
Okay.
that's commercially available.
I think the largest one that I could go out and buy anywhere on the planet Earth right now, 28 terabytes.
Unfortunately, no. It is 30
It is
terabytes.
30? Oh.
The Seagate Exos Mosaic 3 Plus. The last question.
Okay.
What is
Yes.
the largest tech acquisition ever?
Microsoft purchasing Activision for almost $70 billion. Wait. Oh. That's a trick question, damn it. I'm just gonna say Activision. I don't think I'm right. I'll just lock it in.
Unfortunately,
Take it now. I know I'm wrong.
you are correct.
Really? So, okay, wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got $900. I almost got 50%. That's a passing grade.
No, it's not. That's why you didn't do well in school.
Isn't
oh wait,
that
you didn't go.
Armed with my $900 budget, I am ready to show my high IQ gaming PC skills off.
Well, in your case, medium IQ. But
Actually, it's fair. That's just
But we have one more challenge for you. You have to hit a very specific goal with that $900.
What do you mean? Okay. Is
You
it a
have
benchmark?
You have
I play a game?
You have to figure it out based on this riddle. The smartest king in all the lands has lost his throne. Where will he now rest? But don't forget, he needs to cross one finish line with at least 50 squares.
What was that? What?
Can we get Alex over there?
Just losing it.
Alex is over there just...
You said to make it hard.
So there's a couple things that jump out to me here. 50 squares, I can't help but think Cinebench, because when you render in Cinebench, each of the squares pop up. So maybe I need to get a score that's at least 50. But the smartest king has lost his throne doesn't mean anything to me. God, this is way harder than it should be. Damn. I don't know the answer to this. I'm not gonna hard commit to something I don't know. Let me just build an all-rounder PC for $900, and then I'll spend the rest of the day thinking about this riddle, and hopefully my PC will be able to do the thing. I'm gonna go from there. I think that's my plan. All right, I'm gonna go pretty basic on everything. So basic SSD, 16 gigs RAM. I'm gonna cut as much as I can. I'm just gonna put all my money toward a CPU and a GPU. Can I get like a 12th gen? I bet I can get a 12th gen. 12th gen for $210, there we go. I get 12th gen, I can go DDR4, I can go really cheap on it. Or actually even go for a 12600KF as well. That's what Jay beat me with last time at Micro Center. What is the cheapest DDR4 I can find? Oh, look at that, $39. Excellent.
Hello.
Oh,
How we doing?
hello, highest king in all the land. No, you don't, no, that's slowing me down. Okay, I will just walk then. Goodbye.
I have a proposition for you.
Give me back my cart. Yes, what's the proposition?
Would you like to buy a hint?
I don't have money for a hint.
Would you like to trade for a hint?
What do I trade for the hint?
You have to build the system
Yeah.
in 30 minutes
Okay.
without a screwdriver at all. And I will give you a hint.
I don't think I can take that. I need to.
I'll give you 2 hints.
Okay. If I get 2 hints, you said?
You get 2 hints.
Okay.
The first
very
one is
generous.
the easy one.
Okay.
What is another name for a throne? You don't have to figure it out right now, but you
Big fancy chair.
think about that one.
Okay, go ahead. What's the second question?
What is squared?
These are the worst hints I've ever heard. What are you talking
They're
about?
riddles.
I'm gonna forget everything you told me because
Squared.
can I get my screwdriver back? That was not useful in any way.
Squared.
That not only took
I
away my
think
screwdriver.
I should be able to be a bridge troll more often.
I just think that all you're doing is confusing me more. I need to go find my power supply right now.
Okay, first of all, you need to yell at Alex because he's the one who's feeding me these things.
I just need to finish building my PC. Dude, I've not been this stressed in a Micro Center in a long time. I don't know that I actually have put my budget together right. Oh, wait, I'm way below $650. Oh, I feel like another $150. Oh, so let's say like $450, $475 is my actual budget for GPU. What can I get? It's a little closer to $450. Are there more options somewhere? Where are more options? Skirt. Okay, if I step down to the 7700 XT, that saves me $60. Do I want to upgrade anything on my system for $60? No, I don't think I do.
Can you buy back your screwdriver with your leftover money?
You mean spend? Yes. Joanna, you're smart. Okay. I'm not sure how I've ruined a $900 budget this much, but this is really bad. I just got to figure this out. I go back to the office. I got to think about the riddle, try to come up with an answer, but I might be cooked.
I'm gonna be a little bit quick because they're coming upstairs. The king feels like a really key part of this riddle. The king, the pieces, the whole thing. I don't know if this is true, but I think they want me to play FPS chess. First of all, it's a very easy game to run. So even if I ended up with a budget of like $400, I still wouldn't be able to do it. So I wouldn't have just failed out. Like it's not a game that you need like an RTX 4090 or something for. But also, I think it makes sense for the riddle. I think we're gonna get 50 FPS in FPS chess. That's my guess. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But yeah. I think I'm right though. All right, my friends, it is time for my 30-minute gaming PC build. Everyone's here except Matt, who's too busy to join. My plan is very simple. I'm going to put together a very simple PC with no case because that's not gonna help me with the riddle, which I have 100% solved, just so you know.
Oh, so you solved it. All right.
I've solved it
All right.
with great confidence and great capabilities of my intelligence quotient.
Oh, well, if you're this confident, then you can't possibly be right.
I am so confident that I'm going to continue to act confident. Now, importantly, I do have myself an actual
Hey, what? I call it shenanigans. That
You know,
was not part of the deal.
I feel like I have done such a good job so far that I deserve a little bit of shenanigans. Look, I bought my own screwdriver. Like, it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine.
I need to see if it's a regulation. Here, how's this? You can have the bits and I'll take the handle.
I don't know why I didn't see that coming. What is wrong with me? PC build begins in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, here comes the first test. How dented can I make my thumb today? Oh, that's not so bad. Okay.
So, Mr. Big Brain, who has already solved the riddle, did you find Matt's hints helpful?
No, not even in the slightest. In fact, his hints dropped. Wait a minute. His hints actually made me go a different direction, and I've disregarded them and came back to my original direction. Now that I say that out loud, maybe I should have listened to his hints, and maybe there's something there. Okay. Okay, so I just need to finish putting my CPU cooler on, which, oh, good lord. Hello, bridge troll.
You thought you could trick me, but I tricked thee. This is mine.
Yeah, it is.
This is mine. What do you got here?
Don't worry about it.
What is-
Stop that, stop this.
Which
I'm looking for my doohickeys and my dongles.
this is a doohickey. Lost a piece. Oh, you mind if I?
No, don't touch that. Where? I'm missing one of my standoffs.
Have you thought more about the riddle? Like
Yes,
you know what
I
you're.
do actually know the riddle, yes.
He knows the riddle?
I think I figured it out.
What's the riddle?
I don't know. Where'd my cooler go? You took my cooler. Where's my CPU cooler? Where did you put it? Where is it? This is burning into my time. You want me to get 50 FPS in the game FPS chess.
What?
No.
I've
No.
literally never heard of that.
What? I thought it was a whole chess metaphor.
No.
The king, 50 pieces. There's all the pieces on the board, 50 FPS.
No.
Oh.
That is not it whatsoever.
Okay, well, I'm losing time here, so I gotta hurry up. Really? It's not that? That's not it at all?
No.
Pokemon cards? You're not gonna distract me with Pokemon cards. Nice try. Plug in my HDMI. I really hope this posts. If this is not post, I don't have enough time to do any troubleshooting. What? The 12 pin. Wait, did you unplug my 12 pin?
What?
Did you unplug my 12 pin? You unplugged my 12 pin.
That's 8-pin.
I mean, 8 pin, whatever. Stop. Time check, please. Time.
57 seconds.
Enough time, okay? Jumping it. Okay, it needs to post in the next 33 seconds. Okay, so it's plugged in. Power supply is running, CPU fan is spinning, GPU fan is spinning. Come on. Wait, cable not connected. No! Plug that back in!
20 seconds.
Come on, just post. I hope it didn't ruin the post because it wasn't, the HDMI wasn't plugged in. Come on, post. 5, 4, 3, 2.
2.
No! No!
Wait.
What the hell? You hear that noise? That noise says you lose. Look, I messed with you a lot. I will give you 1 reboot.
Okay, I'll take a reboot.
As long as you don't touch anything else.
I don't touch anything else. I'm just gonna mentally catalog. Up, yep.
All right, we'll give it to you.
Okay.
Go about your merry day.
You have banished thee.
This whole video was a mistake. Every part of this was just a mistake. Okay, so Matt is going to be judging my PC in about 20 minutes. So I have had a thunk, and my thunk is I have no idea what the answer to this riddle is. So here's my pitch. I'm going to wow him with pizzazz, with snazzy energy, and I'm gonna try to talk my way into pity points for a victory. So, first step is going to be finding a wardrobe that is suitably kingly or medieval in nature, mostly so I can get some pity points for looking silly. And then I have come up with a rubric for my benchmark in my gaming. It makes no sense, but I'm gonna try to convince him that it does so I can win this nebulous challenge. What is the most ridiculous thing we have in props that I can wear? We have the Clicks jacket. That's not very like old school. The duck shirt's not bad. Wait, what if I just pander to Matt? Oh, I could do the you know what? Matt likes Xbox. Cloud gaming. I'll talk about cloud gaming while I wear the Xbox onesie. I'll put a photo of Nibbler on the wallpaper. Matt's dog. That'll give me some points too. Okay, we're cooking. I think this should do it, right? You may enter the dominion of Ryan the Liege Lord.
I can't. How did you out-weird me on this?
Welcome, sir,
How did you?
to the kingdom of Ryan the Liege Lord.
I just came in here like a damn bridge troll and you made it even weirder.
Come. Oh, did I accidentally? Oh, I'm sorry.
My dog is cute as a button.
Behold, my friends, the answer to your riddle in many parts, but beginning with Baldur's Gate 3.
Already you are incorrect.
You think so, but what was the riddle? But asking the smartest king in all the lands, and who is the smartest king in all the lands? Why, of course, it is Ryan the Explorer. He is, in fact, the Lord, the Liege King, Lord of Baldur's Gate. No. So the second part of the riddle is my highly impressive 50 square Cinebench run. Yes, my friend, you can count them. There are 50 squares in this image. They're all rendered on my highly acclaimed Intel 12th Gen Core processor, meaning that I have successfully answered the riddle correctly.
Let's break this down in ways you got it incorrect. Because
I didn't. I don't think I did.
Just want to make a disclaimer. I didn't write the riddle, so if anyone has a problem with it, they can go ahead and reach out to Alex.
Alex's email address is.
Here's Alex's email address, his phone number. You know what? I do have his mother's maiden name in case you want to. Okay.
Can you please illuminate me? What exactly was I supposed to do for this riddle?
What's another name for a throne?
A chair. A fancy chair.
What's a long chair?
A table?
No. What?
Are you? It's a bench.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
What is a super smart person often?
wrong.
Well, in your case. Also in your case, a geek.
Geek bench.
There you
Geek
go.
bench.
Yeah, so if you figured out the first part and you figured out the benchmark,
Yeah.
you might wonder, okay, well, what do I need to hit
Now,
on
your-
that benchmark?
Idea is not terrible of 50 squares,
squares.
in Cinebench.
I'll run it again so you can see what it looks like.
I know what it looks like. I yelled at you a whole bunch. Squared. Squared. What is 50 squared?
2,000?
What?
Yikes. It is 50 squared is 2,500.
So I need to get 2,500 on Geek Bench.
But it had, a single finish line of 50 squared.
Yeah. So
a
you needed
single core.
You needed to get a 2,500 score on Geekbench
Well,
Kinsey got it right away, for the record.
Well, before you disqualify me, may I present to you the final. Don't worry about it. No. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that. That's. Behold the ultimate weapon.
Oh!
oh my God.
The Banjo Boys ride again.
I'm a British troll who likes to sing.
Thank you very much to Micro Center for sponsoring whatever it is that we just did. And visit your friendly local Micro Center. They've got lots of great deals, including... Micro Center has Black Friday deals that are starting right now. Not only do they have $400 off the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro, but they also have a 7600X 3D bundle that comes in at only $399, and of course tons of other great deals which you can check out at the link in the description. And as always, thank you very much to our friends over at Micro Center for sponsoring this video and for delivering the beautiful deals for Black Friday.